Good morning, everyone. Meteorologist Matt Holiner filling in for meteorologist Kirsten Lang. Just wanted to bring you an update on the chance of severe storms that we have this evening and possibly tomorrow evening as well. Before we get to that, though, let's start with the morning commute, and we're talking about scattered showers and a few weak storms. Best chance east of Tulsa, but still want to mention the chance for the morning commute in the Tulsa area. By the time we jump ahead to noon, now we're just talking about isolated showers and maybe one or two thunderstorms. And then by the time we get to 4 o'clock, it's mostly going to be dry across the area, maybe a shower or two, but not much going on. Highs are going to reach the low 80s today, and it's going to get breezy this afternoon, gusts around 20 miles per hour. But the severe threat doesn't look to begin for northeastern Oklahoma until about 9 o'clock this evening. That's when the storms are going to start to push east of I-35 and will continue to make their trek across the area. So let's continue to time things out. As far as the stormiest time in Tulsa, that's looking like from about 11 o'clock this evening to 1 a.m. So right around midnight, a lot of heavy rain, lightning, and still a chance for some damaging wind and hail. In fact, I want to leave in an outside chance even east of Tulsa. I know it's real late, 3 a.m., but still definitely heavy rain, lightning, still an outside chance for some damaging wind and hail. I don't want to take out the chance for severe weather until the storms clear the area, which is going to be about 5 a.m. Very late tonight, early tomorrow morning. So to summarize, we're looking at a window in northeast Oklahoma from about 9 o'clock this evening to possibly as late as 5 a.m. During this period, heavy rain and lightning likely. And though mostly regular thunderstorms, do think we're going to end up seeing a couple of severe storms. And in those severe storms, we're talking about up to quarter-size hail and wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Could we see one or two EF0 or EF1 tornadoes? Chance is small, but I don't want to rule it out. And let's also talk about the chance of severe weather, because notice we've got our 3 threat levels. So more likely that we're going to see severe storms west of Tulsa. The chance is smaller east of Tulsa, and this is all about the timing. So the storms are going to be west of Tulsa during the late afternoon, early evening hours, so they're likely going to be more intense. As we get later into the night, the storms are going to be losing their intensity, but we don't want to take out the chance for severe weather until the storms clear the area. So again, most likely time around the Tulsa area, looking around midnight. Hopefully it'll just be heavy rain and lightning, but still want to mention the chance for some damaging wind and hail. And then I mentioned a chance of severe storms tomorrow as well, so we've got to talk about that. Right now we're just looking at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, and really just a few showers are probably going to be around. And overall, tomorrow is looking like a drier day. Notice a few showers at noon, and because there's not going to be as much cloud cover or as much rain around, I do think we're going to hit the mid-80s tomorrow. Probably a little bit more wind too, gusts around 25 miles per hour. But what we're concerned about is some new storms popping up in the evening hours. Here we are at 7 o'clock, probably still west of Tulsa, but really want to zone in probably 8, 9 o'clock. Though there are going to be gaps in the storms, do need to mention not as many storms as we're expecting this evening, but some storms around, and there's still going to be the potential for some damaging wind and hail. So something to keep in mind for early Friday evening plans.